in this tutorial, I'll explain how I answer a question on Stack Overflow and use the answer I've just posted on the iText website. I've chosen a very simple question on Stack Overflow, how to convert an existing A4 size PDF to an A3 size in booklet format, PDF in Java. So we have an A4 document. Let's say that in our example, we take Prime's PDF, resources. I have a lot of pre-created PDFs, and one of them is Prime's PDF. Let's see, it was on my other window. Let's make it a little bit smaller. So this is a PDF with all A4 pages, and well, it goes from page 1 to 299, so it has 299 pages, and it's a document that has all the prime numbers of every number from 2 to 300. So this is the base PDF that I will use, and I've already created an answer. So we take source primes.pdf and we'll create a document under results. So let's go to results. Okay, results. So there's nothing there for the moment. And what are we going to do? Here you see wrap to test. That's because all our examples are also part of our testing suite. So if I do wrap to test, then this the result of this example will be a part of our tests. Now I have a main method where I create directories if there are none. So I'm going to create a document in results merge, and that directory doesn't exist yet. So this will be created here. And I say I will manipulate the PDF, I will manipulate the source file, and the result will be a destination file. Why do I do this like this? Because that's mandatory for the wrap to test. Wrap to test expects a source and a create PDF, or a source and a dest and a manipulate PDF. So we create the document with page size A3, but we rotate the page because we are going to create a booklet, and we are going to populate the A3 pages with A4 pages. We create a writer, we open the document, and then we say, well, the width of an A4 page, that's A4 width, and we are going to write to the direct content. We need to know the original number of pages, and we need a page counter. And so we are going to loop over all the pages, the page number and the total number. We are going to go into this loop. We ask the imported page, and if we have an odd page, we add the page at position 0, 0. If we have an even page, we add an A3 page, and Y is 0. And as we are we are going to create a new page. So let's just run this file, run, and look what happens in our directory. So why does it take that long? Let's take a look. So okay, build success. We have the merge directory with an A3 booklet, and we have a PDF where we have all these pages. We have 150 pages, and the last page should be the primary numbers of the fact of 300, and that's true, that's correct. So we have answered this question, and well, there's something I have to do first. I have to create a CMP file. Why a CMP file? CMP stands for compare, and I'm going to add this file to my compare files. So it's merge. So here you see a series of compare files. I paste this here. If I wouldn't do this, our tests would fail because I wouldn't have any file to compare with. Now I'm going to upload these to GitLab. So I'm opening my Git tool. Let's say cd. So this is my this is the root of where I keep my Git repositories. I have just put something in the sandbox. So git status. So you see I've added make A3 booklet and I've added CMP A3 booklet PDF. So I'm going to add this stuff quick and dirty, files and git add source main. And so let's see, take this. Yeah, and so I can do git commit. My message is example in answer to question on so Stack Overflow. Yeah, let's give it some time. Okay, still waiting. Okay, and I push this to GitHub, to where all the iText code is stored. Okay. So now the example and the resulting PDF, they are stored in our repository. And now I can say I have a new example. And I say, well, it's in English, and I say create a booklet from A4 document. Let's use some tags, booklet, page, merge documents, okay. And I'm not going to write anything in the body right now, but when I scroll down, I see that I can link files from the sandbox. These are the files that I want to show. So source, wait, main. This is the path to my actual Java code. Java. It's in the sandbox, and I started in the package, in the merge package. So merge, where is merge? Here is merge. Okay, and I have merge A3 booklet. This is the file I want to link, and you will see that it will appear here, and I want to display it. So let's just save this, and what is the result? The result is a page where I can see my source code, and people who want to visit the source code on GitLab iText support, they can do so. So this is the file on GitLab. People who want the raw code, they can. This is also on GitLab. Now, of course, we have some resources. We use the primes PDF that's stored in GitLab too. So I have resources, and that was under PDFs, and here I have resources, prime numbers, primes, and link selected file, and you'll see I cannot visualize, I cannot display this file because it's a PDF file, and displaying PDF syntax doesn't make much sense. I'm also going to add this example to a book, and the book is there for navigation, so that people, let's see, where would we store this? We have page events, font examples, image, watermarks, context, form examples, merging PDF documents. Yeah, that's merging PDF documents. So now when I save this, you will see that we'll have a table of contents. So we have examples, and we have merging documents, and you can see create A3 booklet is one of the examples under merging PDF documents. I forgot one more thing. So now I have the file name, and I have the resources, so I can say, hey, I want to see the PDF, and the PDF will open. So users who visit our website, they can see the original PDF or download it if they want to. And I'll also add the resulting PDF. that was something that we uploaded to the CMP directory. So I have results and results CMP files also under merge. Merge, where is merge? Here is merge. And it was CMP A3 booklet. Link selected files. Yep, selected files, there it is. Save. And now if we scroll down, you will see that we have all the elements for answering the question. We have the source code, we have the source, and we have the destination. Now let's log out to take a look at. So if people want to find this example, they go to merging existing PDFs, create an A3 booklet, and this is what the end user sees. So now let's start answering. Please take a look at the. And so this is a link that we can copy. Please take a link at the. Make A3 booklet example. In this example, we take an existing PDF document with 299 A4 pages, and we'll provide a link for those who want to look at that document. Primes PDF. And so I think only example Stack Overflow not done, and so we'll add some source code, and we convert it to an A3 booklet. Let's do it this way. PDF. And we'll add a link to the result, the link address. Now, CMP, that's something we use to make sure that we see that this is a file created to compare with, and the actual file is A3 booklet, but I hope nobody thinks that's confusing. So please take a look at the make A3 booklet example. In this example, we take an existing PDF document with 299 A4 pages, and we convert it into, let's say, a 150 page A3 booklet. And let's do it like this, and now copy paste some source code. So now this person, he can just take his source file, the path to the source file, call this method, and provide a path to the destination file, and he can use this code as is. And so you see the code is nicely structured, and let's add some explanations saying we create a document object with size A3 as parameter, but as page size A3 is portrait. We wrote it so that we get the page size in landscape. So, okay, that's step one. We need the width of A4 page the A3 page in landscape format, and we loop over all the pages in the existing document. If we encounter an odd page, we add it. If published x equals 0, y equals 0. If we encounter an even page, we add it at position x equals the width of the forward. Oops. Control C. Why does it do that? Well, let's just type it. I don't know why I can't copy paste, but I'm not going to lose time finding out. Okay, and create a new page. That's it. So we have our example, and we have linked to the source and to the source code and to the resulting PDFs. Now, this person, okay, let's upvote him. It's a very simple example, and in the comments, he should already have had sufficient information to answer the question himself, but I needed an example, and I'm happy that we have this. So now I have to log in again. Yeah. And I'll create an FAQ item. This FAQ item is, let's say, it's in the category manipulating existing PDFs, and we are going to add booklet. Oh, what happened? Merge documents, PDF imported page, and the question is how to convert the title. How to convert an existing A4 document to an A3 booklet. That's a better title. So let's edit this title too. It's quite long. PDF document. Save edits. And let's add PDF here too. Now I want to edit this question. Well, I don't want to edit this question. I just want to copy the question. We have a requirement. Let's say I want to convert an existing A4 PDF document into an A3 PDF using Java. So let's say a booklet. Okay, let's once more copy paste. So what I've done now is I've added the summary, the small summary, and I will use the longer version for the question since I am new to the iText API. I wonder if anyone can guide me how to do this. sample would be appreciated. Note, the output PDF should be an A3 booklet format. Okay, and I'll add Q because I want to make a clear distinction between the question and the answer, and I'll say posted on Stack Overflow on, which date was it posted on? Let's see, on December 1st, 2015, and we always have to link so that we are okay with the Creative Commons by, and let's see who posted it. Raja Sekar B. And so we always have to add who posted the question, even though here I don't really have to, because I've completely rewrote the question, but well, people can find the question if they want to. And then I do this, and I don't have to, I'm the owner of my own question, so I don't have to add any copyright information, because I don't mind that my let me just, I need to know filter FAQ item. How do I always forget how I remove the line number. So this is something I'm going to copy from an existing example. See, line numbers off, and the language is Java. And line numbers is because otherwise, or you will see line numbers, and the language is Java. That's to have the right syntax highlighting. So am I done? Not yet. I also, I'm first going to save this, and we see that the URL is question how to convert existing A4 documents as a booklet, and I have this. Oh, I see that I made a mistake. I have to edit it anyway. So now I have the same question and answer on the website, and yeah, I mixed this. It's the other way around. This should be like this, and this should be like this. And so I am also, I want to keep this URL, this is question / but I also want to add this question to the best iText questions on Stack Overflow. So I'm going to add it here, my page events, and it's manipulating existing PDFs. I save this. The website builders, I asked them not to add any table of contents here, because I can always find the question when I go to the question and answers, and I go to manipulating existing PDFs, how to convert an existing A4 document to an A3 booklet. So that's how people find it. Or if I do booklet, I see that I mark two things as booklet. I have the question, and I have the code sample. So yeah, I could, one thing that I could do is make sure that people find the example. So I could change this and say, sometime I could say this example was written in answer to the question, and See, this way, if there will be people who find this example and who will copy paste it, and then they won't understand what it's about, because they won't understand what this 00 and the A4 width is about. So now they can also go to the actual question where this is explained. Okay. Why did I add this to a book? Well, now I can say, please export me this book, and it would lead us too far to generate the actual. But now a zip file is downloading. Give it some time, and this zip file, a moment. Yeah, there it is. This zip file contains all the questions that I've added to the website and all the resources, so all the images of the book, and all the manipulating existing PDFs. Our booklet example should be here somewhere. See how to convert an existing PDF, and our website has adapted the text so that it's ready to publish on Leanpub. And I see one small mistake here. One small mistake, and I'll fix this immediately. It's here. The source code the tabs need to be spaces. So voilà, now it's perfect.